Welcome to our new series, Indian Meal Prep, where we're sharing recipes which are high protein, Indian vegetarian recipes that actually taste good. Today we're going to be sharing our chaat recipe, which has 25 grams of protein per serving. To get started, in a large bowl add 1 tin of drained chickpeas. To this we're going to add 1 tomato which we've diced, along with 1/4 of a cucumber which we've also diced. To add some texture to our chaat, we're going to add 30 grams of roasted peanuts. To make this healthier, we've roasted our peanuts ourselves using oil spray. If you want the recipe, you can click here and replace the oil with oil spray. To this, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of chaat masala. If you want to make your own chaat masala, you can click on this video here and we'll show you how we make our own. Then you want to give this all a really good mix before adding the juice of half a lemon. Again, mix this in really well. Once that's all mixed in, you want to leave that to one side for later. Next, we're going to get our yogurt ready. So to 150 grams of yogurt, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of water along with half a teaspoon of sugar and mix that well until it's nice and smooth. You're now ready to assemble your chaat. So in a large bowl, you want to place the chickpea mix into the bowl. Then you want to top this off with the yogurt you made earlier. Make it into one nice thin layer on top. To this we're going to add 30 grams of celery. Our favourite thing about this recipe and this series is that we can still have all of our favourite foods, just increasing the protein content and making a few simple adjustments. Once you've added your celery, you're ready to add your chutney. So we're going to go in with some date and tamarind chutney. We've used 20 grams of date and tamarind chutney that you can buy from the shops, and then we've topped that off with 1 tablespoon of Maggi masala chilli sauce. To finish things off, we're going to add a small bunch of chopped coriander. And there you have it, our high protein chickpea chaat with 25 grams of protein per serving. This is great if you want to increase the protein in your diet without compromising on flavour. Make sure you subscribe for the next one.